Kasi in the life insurance now, may VUL, Variable Universal Link. It's a mix of life insurance and investment. Yan yon. That's another side. Mutual funds is just purely investment. Ganon. So, clients of mine who started investing during that time, like 2005 or 6, 7, and then it went down in 2008 because of financial crisis. And then it went up again by 2009, 2010, 11, and so on. Then it went down again the pandemic.
Yep.
No, so if you look at from 2004 when I started to really understand mutual fund up to now, the best was when 2009, 2008, and 2020. That was the best time to invest because the net asset
Wow.
value per shares
Mm-mm.
was low.